Tomaveli from programtom.com/dev here. In this video, I'm gonna share my opinion on content generated from generative pre-trained transformer models based on large language models. Basically, there is content that comes from these large language models, and there is area what works actually in the real world. And the interconnection, the common part between these two is the content, the code, the marketing content, the strategies, whatever you get out from large language models. And this is the percentage of what works. So to increase this, I think it is a moment in time that you need to get into how things work in this generative large language models and start training your own agents. Start training your large language models on your own data and to actually increase the common part. I think this is the situation in the current time of history. So whatever I generate from GPT, there is always a need of second hand improvement and checks and compiling. Basically, further code that GPTs generate do not produce const. Sometimes they do not generate the code in good hierarchy, and the Java code that it generates, especially against Google, generates older versions of dependencies. It generates outdated code, and this is probably the same with the ideas for the internet. So I totally I'm suggesting that you start training your own GPTs, large language models, and mm, do not depend so much on the general purpose large language models. So yeah, good luck.